Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving identity quickly. Sign in at accounts. Google.com using the account email or linked phone and follow prompts for verification. Once prompted, choose a recovery option, use the backup email or the recovery phone you prepared, then enter the code. If prompted for a device, pick one you used recently so Google recognizes it. Make sure to note any security alerts shown. They explain why Google is checking info and which steps you must take next. Next, you update critical account details so checks succeed. Open personal info and correct recovery, email, phone, and birthday if needed. These must match what Google expects. Then go to security to enable or reconfigure two-step verification and remove unrecognized devices. Also audit third-party apps with account access and revoke anything suspicious. Doing this reduces future verification, prompts, and explains discrepancies. If Google suspects unusual activity, these corrections resolve most checks. To finish, you confirm changes and regain normal access. Sign out and sign back in from a recognized device or network, enter codes when asked, and verify that no alerts remain. If locked out, use the account recovery form and supply recent passwords, creation date, and device details. These proofs increase success. If issues persist, clear browser cache or try a different browser, and use the known device and home network. Key troubleshooting tip. If verification fails, wait 24 hours and retry from a device you frequently used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.